Hello, my peoples. So today we've been talking about weathering, specifically mechanical, which sometimes is also referred to as physical weathering, and chemical weathering. So just to kind of solidify that knowledge into your brains, I'm going to do a little demo for you guys. So in your imaginations, this is a rock, all right? So if it's going to go through mechanical or physical weathering, in essence, you would use your strength in some way, shape, or form, perhaps, to rip that rock into two smaller pieces. So it's the same thing, it's just now in a smaller piece. So this could be perhaps somebody, hammering at something, or an animal digging away at something and scratching, but you still have, in essence, the same thing. It's just now into smaller pieces. So it's been weathered down into tinier bits. If we're talking about chemical weathering, there's a change from start to finish. So what you start with is not what you end with. So if this is still my rock and I go through chemical weathering, what I start with is not the same as what I ended with, because obviously I don't have anything left. Now, of course, when we're talking about weathering, we're not actually using any sort of flame, right? There's a chemical process going on. And yes, there's a chemical process going on here too, okay? But it's not exactly the same thing. So remember, this is a demo to illustrate how things change from start to finish. So if it's mechanical or chemical, you have the same thing, just in smaller pieces. If it's chemical weathering, you have something completely different at the end.